Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of photos not sending on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of photos not sending on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. And first you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Bumble. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Bumble app and you can uninstall your app. Then you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.